Certainly. Here are some additional details on how ESB API Manager can accelerate digital transformation. 1. Legacy system integration. Many organizations have legacy systems that are critical to their operations but lack modern API capabilities. ESB API Manager can bridge the gap by exposing APIs for legacy systems, enabling seamless integration with new digital applications and services. This integration allows organizations to leverage existing investments while modernizing their technology stack. 2. Microservices architecture. ESB API Manager complements a microservices architecture by providing a centralized point for managing, securing, and monitoring APIs. It enables organizations to break down monolithic applications into smaller, decoupled services that can be independently developed, deployed, and scaled. ESB API Manager ensures seamless communication and coordination between microservices, facilitating agility and scalability in digital initiatives. 3. Partner and ecosystem integration. Digital transformation often involves collaborating with external partners, suppliers, and third-party systems. ESB API Manager facilitates secure and controlled integration with external entities, enabling organizations to extend their digital ecosystem. It supports partner onboarding, identity and access management, and API monetization capabilities, fostering collaboration and new business opportunities. 4. Security and compliance. ESB API Manager plays a crucial role in ensuring the security and compliance of digital initiatives. It provides features such as authentication, authorization, encryption, and threat protection for APIs, safeguarding sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access. Additionally, ESB API Manager helps organizations comply with industry regulations and standards by enforcing policies, managing consent, and auditing API usage. 5. Scalability and performance. ESB API Manager is designed to handle high volumes of API traffic and ensure optimal performance. It includes features like caching, load balancing, and request throttling to handle spikes in demand and maintain consistent service levels. This scalability and performance optimization are essential for digital transformation initiatives that require responsiveness and scalability to support growing user bases and increased transaction volumes. Overall, ESB API Manager acts as a strategic enabler for organizations looking to accelerate their digital transformation journeys. It provides the necessary tools, governance, integration capabilities, and security measures to drive innovation, enhance customer experiences, and achieve business agility in the rapidly evolving digital landscape.